The current political temperature is very high in Pakistan. The opposition is upping the ante every day. In the latest episode of A New Political Drama, the government of Imran Khan asked for the resignations of the Chief Election Commissioner and other Election Commission members. The group of ministers came forward in a press conference alleging that ECP failed to conduct elections in a fair and transparent manner. They said that after the Senate polls, the ECP had lost the confidence of the political parties and the people of Pakistan.
और उसके बाद जो वीडियो आए उसमें भी आपने देखा कि क्लियरली पैसे जो हैं वो उनकी बातचीत हो रही है। उसके बाद सिंध का एक वजीर जो था वो कह रहा है कि 5 से 10 करोड़ तक बढ़ाया जा सकता है या बाकी। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो थी अयां थी और इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने थी, लेकिन उसके बावजूद इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है उस इलेक्शन को शफाफ बनाने में मुकम्मल तौर पे नाकाम रहा।
Remember, the current chairman of ECP was appointed by PM Khan. He selectively criticized the shock PTI faced in Senate seat from Islamabad, where despite majority, it lost Senate seat to Yusuf Raza Gilani of Pakistan People Party. He didn't mention the debacle of the Senate and the deputy chairman election episode, where the government prevailed on opposition. Interestingly, opposition is now defending the election commission.
आपने कल देखा कि वफाकी काबीना जो है वो अब इलेक्शन कमीशन पर हमलावर हुई। ये इस मुल्क की नहीं दुनिया की तारीख में पहला मौका है कि एक हुकूमत जब इलेक्शन हार गई तो उसने बजाय इसके कि अपनी हार को तस्लीम करे, उसने मुल्क के इलेक्शन कमीशन पर ही अदम एतमाद का इजहार कर दिया।
Critics say there are two main reasons for government making such a demand. Number one, the Ska election, where ECP decided to have poll again after the mysterious disappearance of returning officers. Number two, PTI's foreign funding case. Well, PTI and Election Commission are on a rough pitch, since ECP decided to conduct Senate elections through secret ballot as per Constitution on March 3. Prime Minister lashed out at ECP, calling it out for damaging democracy.
15-16 लोग जो बिके हैं, मैं वर्ड यूज कर रहा हूं, बिके हैं, हमें पता तो चले वो कौन है। आपने उन मुजरिमों को भी बचा लिया ये सीक्रेट बैलेट करवा के। आपने हमारी जमहूरियत को नुकसान पहुंचाया है।
ECP, in an unusual response, gave a strongly worded response to the PM's accusations at ECP. It said every political party and politician should have the courage to accept defeat. Let's talk about the Constitution. The commissioner or a member shall not be removed from office except in the manner prescribed in Article 209 for the removal from office of a judge, and in the application of the article for the purposes of this clause, any reference in that article to a judge shall be construed as a reference to the commissioner. Chief Election Commissioner and the member of Election Commission can only be removed from the office through the Supreme Judicial Council as prescribed in the law. For that purpose, either the President of Pakistan has to move an application to Supreme Judicial Council or it can take initiative on its own. As per Article 2095B, if on information from any source, the Council or the President is of the opinion that a judge of Supreme Court or of a High Court may have been guilty of misconduct, the President shall direct the Council to, or the Council may, on its own motion, inquire into the matter. Article 2097 states, a judge of Supreme Court or of a High Court shall not be removed from the office except as provided by the article. And the same is the procedure to remove the Chief Election Commissioner and any of the 4 members of the Commission. However, the government doesn't want to file a reference with Supreme Judicial Council. In a latest development, PTI is ready to move a motion of contempt of court against Election Commission of Pakistan if they don't resign.
इलेक्शन कमीशन ने इस्तीफा नहीं दिया तो फिर हम कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट की प्रोसीडिंग्स में जा सकते हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन के खिलाफ।
Hello guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and do let us know in the comment section what you think about the video.